think it's frozen. These boy friends with know how I talk out. Bullshit is not important, but I'ma lock out. Don't play with the... Someone come on through my heart, I think it's frozen.
Yo. Yo. No. Exit. Because it looks like they're leaving.
Yeah.
He said burnout. No, I'm good. Yo, you didn't get to come? Oh, listen to those. Bro, that Aventador took off. All right, so we... Bro, that Aventador! Holy shit! They're making a turn. There we go. Follow this. I just saw my boy JRT 50. I'm gonna attempt to make a U-turn quick. Don't move. Don't move, guys. This shit's sick. This shit's sick. Ready for the cruise? All right, bet. Damn, it's gonna be lit. Come on, guys, let's go. At the R8s, bro, all of them look twin turbo. Z06, another twin turbo R8. You can hear the turbo. It says Alpha 12. That shit must be stupid fast, bro. And then a GTR. That shit's stupid, yo.
I'm gonna take a video of Instagram. Hold on.
Do your thing. Take off GTR. Come on. That GTR looks sick. The Boston's on it. The R8s too. Damn, boy. And other twin turbo R8. Holy shit, and my boy Fast Life Prince. This is gonna be lit. I turned on back traction because I don't want to do too much. This is gonna be a lit ass. Look at the Z06, all black. Yo, it got 4 pipes. What the heck? And the parachute, bro. come out and take a picture at the light again. U-turn, my boy. U-turn, U-turn, U-turn. This is at the light. Guys, look at all the cars, man. Lined up with supercars, bro. A little something like that. A little something like that. Right across the street, right over there.
If any of y'all boys want to come drink, it's a bar at the bowling alley across. Come see me.
All right, cool. I got you, my boy. Damn, guys, we came just in time. There are so many supercars right here, yo. So many damn supercars. I'm thinking I'm gonna drop back a little bit just to get everybody going. But yeah, twin turbo R8. Holy shit. Yo, I hope you guys been enjoying this video, man, because it's lit. I mean, we barely got to drive anywhere, and we just started right there to right here. So it's a short drive, but hey, man, it's supercars. It's worth it. Guys, let's see all the cars coming in. Let's see all the cars coming in, guys. Let's go see all the cars coming in, guys. This shit was lit, man. It was a short drive, because we just got to drive from right over there to over here. They're the DDE boys right there. My boy Fast Life Friends. Make sure you check him out on YouTube. My boy JRT50. There's the DDE boys right there. Daily Driven Exotics, baby. We outside with them. It wasn't a too far of a cruise, so it was just from right there to right here. But hey, all the twin turbo R8s. Hey man, stay tuned for the videos because they're gonna be lit. My boy.
How are you?
What's good? You brought out a McLaren today? What's up, man? Everything been good?
I don't know. Mason, where'd you?
Guys, welcome to another video. Onto the limits. All the supercars came out. DDE with the that Mercy looks hella nice. The blue interior on the Mercy, hella nice. Hella freaking nice. SVJ. Okay, Mercies. Okay, yo, they got the DDE and Corv in it. That's sick. That's sick. I mean, they brought out everything today. All the toys are out, man. You just gotta see it, enjoy it. 812. Shit is nice. All the toys are out today. How was that?
Fun,
that was good.
Bro, it's like we did
SF90.
Supercar Saturday.
I'm saying, what's up, my boy? My boy, you know, we just got there and we saw everybody rolling out. We're like, let's join. No, they normally do a cruise to go eat some food.
All of them go eat some food.
That's what they normally do. I mean, you know, that was good. That was good. That was good. That was a lit cruise. That was cool. Damon, how you liking Florida so far?
Pardon me?
How you liking Florida so far?
I like it.
You like it?
I think I'll like it more in like a month or two when it's not as
Hot?
steamy, not as
Yeah. Yeah,
I'm used to
down here?
Cali and Vegas, like where you know it's dry here.
Yeah.
So it's not the heat, it's really more the humidity.
You're right.
I feel sticky.
You're sweating, exactly. The Mercy looks so good, so good, so good. Damn, boy, look at the Mercy. Gated manual DDE Mercy, guys. Another Mercy and another Mercy. All the Mercies show up today. They got the Aventador SVJ out as well. Somebody's calling me. Come on now. Have it, guys. I mean, everything is rolling in. Oh, that Z06. That Z06 look hella nice. So yeah, we got all the supercars rolling in. I mean, this is about to be nice, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll get another clips for you. If we can get more clips, we get more clips for you. If we can't, so be it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. R8s lined up, AMGs, Mercies. Tell them, bro. Tell them.
Come on, if you're not subscribed, what are you doing?
What are you doing? Like, shit, this is the type of shit I'm saying. We didn't have to. You know what I'm saying?
Could have stayed home, stayed in bed.
Okay. I was considering that too, bro. I had so many problems with tires this morning. I just changed 3 tires. Like, what? I'm saying. Yeah, we didn't even go to the meet. We just went to the cruise, bro. It's lit, man. This is lit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. We're gonna end it off right there. We'll roll back in. You see what I'm saying? Tell them again. Okay. You know, everybody telling you to enjoy the videos. Q, let's move, bro. A lot of cars going. But yeah, hope you guys gonna enjoy it. We're linking up. We're just gonna enjoy ourselves, man. Stay tuned for more. Shit, boy.